tracks now to Delhi. The 19-year-old student of the Delhi University who went missing 6 days ago has now been found dead in the Yamuna. The police went on to confirm that the student was a resident of Tripura. Her family has identified the body and an autopsy is now being conducted. She had taken a cab to North Delhi's Signature Bridge on the 7th of July. The police have gone on to say that she was also left a handwritten note indicating an intent to die by suicide. She was not upset with her studies is what police has gone on to say, adding the reason for her distress was linked to her family. Shreya joining us to get us the very latest. Shreya, take us through how are the friends and family in fact responding to this? What are the friends and perhaps other students at the university saying in regard to this matter?
Well, without resorting to any kind of speculations, we know for a fact that in that very letter, handwritten letter, Sneha Debnath herself said that, it shows that she was going through some stress and mental health issues, and that is why she wanted to end her life, and there was no foul play, and she's the only one to blame for it. Her very close friend actually shared that, she was going through some stress, although they did not reveal any kind of reasons for it. We understand that, she belongs from Tripura, and although she's been living in Delhi for very many years along with her family, where I am right now is the Signature Bridge. This is where she was last seen here before she went missing on the 7th of July. And let me tell you that this very Signature Bridge, you can see the CCTV cameras here. Why is it that over a week after this 19-year-old girl went missing, finally her body was found under the Geeta Colony flyover? Why did it take so long? Because these very CCTV cameras, almost 6 of them in this key bridge, Signature Bridge, are non-functional. So these need to be fixed because there are so many cases. It has become a blind spot. It is very prone to a lot of suicide cases, accidents in this very bridge. So the system needs to fix these basic infrastructural issues. And as far as Sneha Debnath's plight is concerned, her death is concerned, we know, of course, the family is grieving at this point in time. We understand that she was going through some mental health issues, although the family is yet to cope with that, is yet to make peace with the fact that she was going through mental health issues, because yesterday we spent the entire evening with the family members of Sneha Debnath, and they kept on stressing on the fact that she was an overachiever. She was pursuing a dual degree from Delhi University and IIT Madras, and she also had a part-time job at the same time, and she was not in any relationship with any boy for that matter. She had a good relationship with with both her family members, her parents, her sister, but her father was going through a kidney failure. He is going through dialysis at this point. That could be a point of stress for her, but we cannot go into speculations because mental health horrors are something that is completely unfathomable. It's not like she was taking therapy or counseling for that matter, but at this point in time we know that we have lost her. She did end her life here at the Signature Bridge, although we did not get any eyewitnesses, who said, of course, the eyewitnesses said that she was seen here last, but no one really saw her, after that. And now the question remains that will these CCTV cameras get fixed or not, and will there be more stronger mental health support system in DU colleges and other universities across India? Back to you.
Right, Shreya, very valid points being raised in regard to mental health issues and something that needs to be dealt with. And, people need to incorporate this in their daily lives, whether it's in schools, colleges, even offices, in order to help people deal with stress. Thank you so much, Shreya, for getting us the latest.